how to send attachments in text, messages, PDFs, files, and docs on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now in here, open up your text conversation. Then tap on the add button in your text box right here. Next, we select files. And from here, scroll down the list and attach the files that you want to look for the files that you want to attach. Now you can also use the search button up here, or you can filter out your files by type. So for example, documents, I can choose documents here, and it will filter out all my documents. And from here, I can attach my Word documents, Microsoft Word documents. Now tap on the send button to send it. And if you want to attach PDF files, you can do so too. So we select documents, and in here we select. So in here it only allows me to select one items at a time. So select the PDF, and then we tap on select, and then tap on send. Or you can add in another one here. So before sending, we can attach other documents as well. So you can see we can add in multiple documents within this text box, and then tap on the send button. Okay, so that will work for other files type as well, not just PDF or documents. It can be an Excel file or voice file, and that is how you can attach documents in text messages. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.